Take 2 cups and place them on the tray. Add 3 scoops of baking soda in each cup. Add 5 drops of yellow color in 1 cup and 2 drops of blue color in the second cup. Use the spatula to mix the colors with the baking soda in each cup. Take a beaker. Add 25 milliliters of vinegar. Add 10 milliliters of liquid soap or 10 pumps. Add 60 milliliters of water. Mix them all together. Pour the contents of the beaker in both cups. Did you see the content of 2 cups rising after you added the mixture of the beaker? Scientific explanation. This is a reaction between baking soda and vinegar. The reaction is similar to the one shown in the experiments before, where carbon dioxide gas bubbles are released. The presence of soap slows down the reaction and increases the duration of the blast.